Scamper cute. Oh man, did he hurt himself? He left.
He just...
Come on, Pumpkin. He just
He comes out of left field. Let's see if we can get how high we can get him to go.
Yeah, but you don't want him to jump up on the stool. He'll miss when he comes down.
He's fallen from a lot higher places, I promise. That bounces.
You're making it too fast, Charlie. You gotta slow it down.
Do it fast to keep their attention.
Yay, Scamper. Oh, you got him going. Oh.
For the big fat one, you jump awful high, buddy. You're the high jumper. Jump, jump. Go for it.
Yay, Pumpkin.
Oh, he's going to go over there and make a running leap. Watch him. He'll come out in a second.
As I'm catching my breath. Scamper.
Wily bird, I tell you,
He's tired.
he's tired. He's over in the corner resting.
I know. Oh, is Scamper? Oh, I thought Scamper's nose was bleeding. Something, or his mouth. It looked like.
Some.
See, it's
Tongue. His tongue hanging out.
Well, maybe we need to stop. I think they're tired. Okay, Scamper, you won, buddy. You're the winner.
Never ready.
Good boy. Aw, good boy. You're the
Good eye,
champ.
boy.